Hello students, this is your English lesson. Today we will read a poem with the name Sunning from Oxford Modern English Book 3, and this poem is from unit number 9, page number 88. So we start our lesson. First of all, I will tell you summary of the poem. Students, this poem is written by James S. Tippett, who was an American educator and children's poet. In this poem, the poet tells us about an old dog who was sleeping in the sun. He was too much lazy in the sun that he could not get up and run. When a fly buzzed near him, he just flapped an ear and opened his sleepy eyes slightly. He scratched the area which was itching and fell asleep once again on the porch under the hot sun. He gave a soft cry, as was his habit. When he fell asleep again, he dreamed that he was chasing a rabbit. But old dog continued to sleep happily under the hot sun. He was too lazy to get up and run. Now come to the reading. Old dog lay in the summer sun, much too lazy to rise and run. He flapped an ear at a buzzing fly. He winked a half-open, sleepy eye. He scratched himself on an itching spot as he dozed on the porch where the sun was hot. He whimpered a bit from force of habit while he lazily dreamed of chasing a rabbit. But old dog happily lay in the sun, much too lazy to rise and run. Now come to the exercises understanding the poem. Answer the following questions. A. Why did the dog flap its ears? Answer. The dog flapped its ears to get rid of a fly. B. Where did the dog scratch itself? Answer. The dog scratched itself on a spot that was itching. C. What did the dog dream about? Answer. The dog dreamt about chasing a rabbit. These questions are more difficult. Discuss them first. D. Why do you think the dog lay down in the summer sun? Answer. I think to rest, to keep warm, or because it was pleasant. E. Which words best describe the dog? 1. Hot. 2. Active. 3. Dreamy. Dreamy is the best word to describe the dog. F. What are the differences between the old dog in the poem and the puppy you read about in a previous poem? Answer. One is old and the other is young. The old one wants to lie down, whereas the puppy was active. 2. Answer the questions about this line taken from the poem. He whimpered a bit. A. Who whimpered? What does whimper mean? Answer. The old dog whimpered. Whimper means to cry softly. B. Was there a reason for this whimpering? Answer. No, there was not. The old dog whimpered from force of habit. C. When did this take place and where? Answer. This took place on a summer day when the dog lay dreaming on a porch. B. Working with words. With the help of a dictionary, find the meanings of the following. A. Whine. The meaning is to cry, moan, or plead with a long, plaintive, high-pitched sound. B. Whimper. To make repeated weak, plaintive crying or whining sounds of pain, distress, fear. C. Snivel. To sniff and whine tearfully in a self-pitying way. D. Sob. to draw in breath while crying, making gasping sounds. E. Wing, to complain annoyingly or continuously about something. F. Groan, to make a long, low cry expressing pain or misery. G. Moan, to make a long, low sound that expresses pain or misery, to complain about something, especially unreasonably or needlessly. H. Grumble, to complain or mutter in a discontented way. 2. Use the following in sentences of your own. A. As smooth as butter. Sentence. His talk is as smooth as butter. B. As quick as lightning. Sentence. He finished his assignment as quick as lightning. C. As tough as leather. Sentence. The piece of chicken is as tough as leather. D. As stiff as a post. As stiff as a post. Sentence. My back became stiff as a post standing for a long time. 3. Look again at the similes above. Can you think of other ways to say the same things? Example, as smooth as a baby's cheek, as quick as bullet, or as quick as a deer. C. Learning about language. Look at the following sentences. The old dog lay in the summer sun. He flapped an ear. He winked a half-open sleepy eye. He scratched himself. Sentences like these are statements. What did the dog do? Is that a dog or a tiger? Sentences like these are questions. Note the question mark at the end. Go to bed at once. Give me some sweets. Sentences like these are commands. What a rainy day. Oh, what a nonsense. Sentences like these are exclamations. Note the exclamation mark at the end. Say what kind of sentences these are. A. Oh, what a good girl you are! Exclamation. B. It began to rain heavily. Statement. C. Are you a man or a mouse? Question. D. Don't go near the fire. Command. E. Go at once and bring some firewood. Command. F. That man over there is my uncle. Statement. G. What a wonderful day it has been! Exclamation. H. Will you be able to climb it? Question. Thanks for listening. For new videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you like my videos, please share and like.